Let me say this in a way most people won't. If you feel invisible, if people don't take you seriously, if they cross your boundaries without hesitation, it's not because the world is cruel. It's because you taught them how to treat you. You think people ignore you because they're selfish or rude. That's comforting. But it's not true. They ignore you because you train them to. Every time you over-explain yourself, you send a message. My words don't carry weight unless I justify them. Every time someone disrespects you and you laugh it off, you say, this behavior is acceptable. Every time you lower your standards just to stay included, you announce, my presence has no value unless I beg for it. And the world listens. The world always listens. People don't respect confidence. They respect consistency. They respect what you protect. Here's the uncomfortable psychology most people avoid. Human beings value what is scarce, not what is available. They protect what costs them something, not what's free. If you're always reachable, you become forgettable. If you respond instantly, your time loses weight. If you say yes when you mean no, your words lose meaning. You don't get ignored because you're unimportant. You get ignored because your behavior suggests you are. That's the brutal truth. Respect is not requested. It's enforced through standards. Stop being available 24/7. Stop replying the moment your phone vibrates. Stop explaining your decisions to people who don't live your life. Silence is not weakness. Distance is not arrogance. Boundaries are not cruelty. They are signals. When you create distance, people notice the absence. When you raise standards, people adjust or disappear. When you stop chasing validation, attention follows you naturally. Most people are afraid to do this. They fear being disliked. They fear being misunderstood. They fear being alone. So they remain accessible, predictable, cheap. And then, they wonder why no one values them. Here's what the elite understand. You don't need to announce your worth. You demonstrate it through what you allow, and what you don't. Stop giving energy to people who wouldn't help you when it matters. Stop pouring into conversations that drain you. Stop proving yourself to people who benefit from doubting you. The moment you stop overgiving, the world recalculates your value. Not everyone will like the new you. That's the point. Because this mindset isn't for everyone. It's for those who are ready to be respected, even if it costs them comfort. This is how the 1% think. Subscribe for more psychology video like this.